Well, hello everyone, long time no see. I know it has been quite a while since I've uploaded, about a month in fact. I have a very good reason for that. Life has really just caught up with me. Schoolwork has gotten very hectic. There's been, I guess I'm just going to say, personal issues within my life right now that I'm not going to really fully disclose on a public video. But I've had a long day at work and the weather is pretty crappy outside, just rainy, stormy, and just not pretty. So I thought, what better way to spend my Sunday night before another dreaded week of schoolwork than to upload a video with you guys and keep you up to date on everything. But just a life update is not why I made this video. I made this video for the reason that this weekend I got some very exciting new gear, and from the title of this video you know what that is. But I did pick up a brand new camera bag. This is the Think Tank Airport Commuter. Absolutely love this bag. Great bag, super sturdy, really high quality. You'll notice in the name that it's called the Airport. It is a part of their Airport series because it is meant for travel, and as young as I am and as much as I'm moving around, a travel-oriented bag is what I was looking for. Just whenever I'm in an airport in the future, there's no way in hell I'd ever let my bag just go under the plane full of all my nice camera gear. My bag is definitely staying with me, and so I needed that carry-on size that can definitely fit just under my seat. That way it's in my side at all times. Good travel size. Up front here is a nice pocket for a laptop. I have a 13-inch MacBook, so that's able to fit right up here whenever I need to edit on the go. On the side here you'll see a little lock symbol. What this means is those are zipper locks, so I can, when I take it out, it's just a simple little clamp lock that I can attach to the zippers of the bag. That way I can prevent anybody from getting into my bag and stealing anything for any reason that I may not be able to be around my bag for a second. Over here on the side you'll see that this is where I can hold a tripod. I don't have one on here right now because I'm using my tripod to film this video, but I also have my GoPro stick for my GoPro tucked in the side pocket here, so I kind of fit the 2-for-1 deal here. Super comfortable straps. I took off there's normally a waist strap down here, but I took it off just because it kind of felt uncomfortable in the way, and I just felt like I didn't really need that. So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of the outside of the bag. Let's take a look at the inside here. It's just one main compartment here, and as you can see, it is full of all kinds of goodies. One of the things I like about this bag is, even though it's small, I can just fit so much stuff in here that I really won't ever have to worry about any other bag for a super long time. This is going to last me forever. Normally I would have my A6000 here, my main camera that I'm shooting on now. I only have one lens, so the lens just stays on the camera the whole time. I have yet to be able to afford many other lenses because most of you know lenses can get quite expensive. And so for the meantime, I've kind of filled up my pockets with my GoPro gear. I've had some waterproof cases. Here is the case that holds the actual GoPros themselves, and so I just put them in the case here for extra protection. They slide in the pocket there. Down here we have the chest strap and the head strap in here, and this came with the Think Tank bag itself. This is just a rain cover, so if I ever get caught in weather outside like it is right now, I can put this over the bag and not have to worry about anything getting wet. Hand grip here for the GoPro. I feel like as I get more lenses and accessories for my mirrorless camera systems, that I'll slowly kind of remove the GoPro stuff and get it separate and just keep using my old GoPro bag for that, just to help save room. But for the time being, and especially for my travels this summer, having my GoPro stuff in here will be very handy, because my travels this year will include a trip to Jacksonville, Florida. My main trip will be to the Bahamas for 2 weeks as a study abroad. I'm super stoked for that. I'm definitely going to be making a video for that, a whole trip montage. I've already started planning it out, how I want things to look, what kind of shots I want. I really want it to be my masterpiece of the year. So I'm super stoked for that. You'll see down here you have just some extra pockets. Just for zippers. I do need to get some smaller bags to help organize my cables, but down here is where I have my batteries, my memory cards, some lens cleaners, And up here in this pocket is just some GoPro screws and other GoPro accessories. So yeah, that is currently what's in my camera bag at the moment and what I will be using a majority of the time. Again, it's not a whole lot. I would love to get some more lenses soon, hopefully this summer. Oh, and I forgot this thing too. This thing that totally looks like a grenade. It's called a rocket blower, horrible name. But what this is, it's an air pump. So you can use this to clean the dust off my camera sensor and the lenses that I use. So whenever, in the future, whenever I'm changing out lenses, or even just after I go on a shoot, I'll take off the lens, give it a quick few blows to get the dust off the sensor, and boom, it just keeps the sensor clean. Don't want to have any dust. It just keeps the sensor clean. Don't want to have any dust sitting on that sensor and ruining some images. I'm pretty OCD when it comes to keeping my camera stuff clean. So I feel like I'm guilty of cleaning even when it doesn't need to be cleaned, but better safe than sorry to keep my bag. This is just a short video and an overview of my new bag. I really love this bag. I will definitely link it below in the description if this is something that you want to check out. This is their medium-sized bag in a range of the Airport series. So there's one larger and one smaller, and I felt like this is just the right happy medium for me and the amount of stuff that I plan on using in the future. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you did. Definitely with school ending soon and summer being right around the corner, I shouldn't have any problems keeping up with uploading. Definitely going to be keeping on the vlogs for you guys, and also just sit down videos like this because I like to keep some variety in my channel, and I'm going to be having a lot of fun travels this summer, which should make for some pretty awesome videos. So do keep an eye out for those. But yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys as kind of a welcome back and good to see you all again. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys next time. Peace.